Okay, so I put my drone pod in the top of my pack, or I'll hang it from the front sometimes. But this is kind of how I have it set up. I have a Mavic 3 Pro in here, and it's separated with this little divider, and it fits pretty comfortably, the Mavic 3 Pro. It fits 4 batteries, which is pretty incredible. So I have 5 batteries total, including the one in the drone. This little divider has like a little stiff part to it, which is kind of nice. It separates the 2 pieces of equipment. These are little magnetic card holders for your readers or extra memory cards. And then this is a little accessory pouch as well for, I keep my drone license in there just in case. And then this spot is good for iPad, or in my case, I just have some ND filters. Once this part is sealed up, we can open this mesh side, which is where I keep my remote. And you can take these off and store them in the back for like traveling and stuff, but totally works with the sticks on the remote. And then I also keep a few accessories and extra propellers in there as well. And I really like this because you can clip this part to the front of the bag, or this part to the front of the bag. So if you have a really overstuffed camera bag and you can't fit it in the main ICU, you can pull it out and you can attach it to the front. I've attached it up here before. There's a couple points that clip here and here really nicely that you can carry it outside the bag, but inside the bag works great.